Hello friends, let's learn how to solve this type of questions using the multiplication trick in just 2 seconds. 6 cross 9 is equal to 54. 6 cross 9 is equal to 5, 4. 9 one time, so 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 6 cross 9 is equal to 54. 9 two times, so we write 9 two times. 6 cross 9, 5, 4 first and last number, 9 three times, so we write 9 three times. 6 cross 9 is equal to 5, 4 first and last number, 9 4 times, so we write 9 4 times. 6 cross 9 is equal to 5, 4. 5 times 9, we write 5 times 9. Next question, 6 cross 9 is equal to 54. 5 and 4 first and last number, 9 6 times. Like, share and subscribe if you learn something new.